India for medical services. It was back 3 years when my husband had kidney failure, and we searched medical treatment in our country, but we through Satyug Healthcare we had to come to India for transplant. And the time we have been here, we are happy because through that services that you through some person called Rajat Sharma, we are happy, very happy, and we are delighted because after staying here for almost 3 months in ASIAN Hospital, we got our transplant as a very successful one, and we are very happy because God has helped us this far, and we are now preparing to go back in our country having a very successful kidney transplant through a doctor by name Dr. Ritesh Sharma in ASIAN Hospital. So we are welcoming you all in this hospital in India. We have wonderful health services, and in case you have kidney failure or any other kind of diseases, you can come here in ASIAN, even in other hospitals, and have your treatment here. May God bless you all. Thank you.